Hello beauties, I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve a cute summer hairstyle. It's pretty quick, pretty simple. There's no science involved. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you keep on watching. Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is part your hair and section it out. What I'm doing is going to section it out in 3 different sections. So if you get what I'm saying, I'm going to do the one box up front, and then I'll part towards the middle so I can make the 3 sections. And I do go back another section, make another box, if you get what I'm saying. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I was struggling just a little bit to make this box, and I can see that it is a little crooked. It's not all the way in the middle. Do not come for me. I noticed it because I went back and I fixed it. So now I'm gonna go in with the edge booster. Just apply it to the edges, like the perimeter of my box. And I'm going to either brush it out, comb it out, because it does leave a little white cast, but I do apply a little bit of oils just to kind of, hide the cast. And then I'm just gonna grab a rubber band, put it in a rubber band, and then twist the ends of my hair. As you can see, I am going to repeat the same process. Yes, I still see the box. It's a little crooked, and I do go back and I fix it. Trust me, I went back and I fixed it. Okay, so at this point I was trying to figure out whether if I wanted to use beeswax or the edge control even. Both of them are pretty good at holding my hair back. So actually what I did was, of course you see here, I did go with the beeswax, but I kind of added a little bit of the edge control just to get that extra hold, because it looked a little off. Like, to me, it wasn't holding as much as I thought it would. Also, you see that I kind of took out pieces of hair in the front because, well, they're not baby hairs, but I'm going to make them act and look like they are baby hairs, because that is the look that I was going for. Just that whole, the summer vibe look, pretty much. You want to make sure that you get a hard bristle brush to brush out your hair. My hair is extremely thick. It's not coarse. It may look like it, but it's not. But it is very, very thick. So I was brushing as much product in as I could so I can sleek my hair up. My hair is growing, so I don't have to really manipulate so much by putting so much product to put my hair up in a ponytail now. As you can see, look at that growth. Your girl got a little puff in the back now, so I'm feeling real good about myself. Really, really, really good. Ay, really, really good. Ay. Now for the drawstring ponytail, I got that from my local beauty supply store. It's the Freetress. Can't remember the name. I'll link that down in the description box below, but I can't remember the name of the curl pattern, I should say. That is Freetress. Ugh, can't even talk right now. But as you can see here, put the 2 combs in the back, and I'm going to wrap the string around after I pull it to secure it down. And then pretty much kind of like fluff the hair out, finger comb it to get in, you know, put it in the shape that I would like it to be. You're not going to see it here, but I did cut some pieces because some of them were, you know, after I pulled it, were a little frizzy, so I had to cut some of those pieces out. Okay, so now here are my hairs, the little baby hair manipulation that I said I wanted to do. Now, you guys don't have to do the baby hairs. That is totally up to you. If you do not like baby hairs, you do not have to do it. Just brush your hair back and keep it going. But this style, I prefer to have the baby hairs, and I really thought it was cute. Okay, so the night I recorded this video, it was extremely late, so I was tired. I was exhausted. So what I was doing was tying my hair down, and I wanted my hair to look really, really sleek. So, you know, having it being on my head overnight made this style come out even better because it was just so sleek. My hair looked so bomb. My edges looked so bomb. Y'all will see. You'll see. If you guys made it this far, I really, really, really appreciate you guys. And like I always say, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces!